We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with the SPY, the S&P 500 index, pulling downwards after hitting the resistance up here of 397.50, which is where it was at support yesterday when it bounced back up. But we're going to break it all down in today's video. And within today's volatility, our SPY bot at 1:40 p.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows had crossed the midpoint and pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 80% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with the SPY pulling downwards, fighting to stay above 393, a key support level. And we're going to talk about the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot at 7:15 a.m. sent out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint into the bell, and after the bell, pure weakness there on 42 vision, and put options went up 100% plus within minutes to an hour, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with the SPY trying to hold support here at 393 after doing a transition back down into red bars. After yesterday's after hours hitting its first white with red borders, it tried to pop back up and it fell back down. Now, it had done a full transition yesterday from the rip area to the dip area after the last time that we did a dip area to the rip area move here from around 394 to 400. Back down to 395 area. Now, if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with the SPY under a bear indicator here in the pre-market, and it lasted all day on the 30-minute, and outflows continue to dominate after crossing over yesterday into the second half of the day and about almost into the close. The outflows crossed over and it's been dominating all day today. Now, interesting enough, the inflows are trying to pick back up here, and it's going to be crucial that in the process, if the inflows were to pick up, to cancel out this bear indicator, guys. That is going to play a huge role on any further possible strength into the chart, plus the inflows pushing up higher. Now, what's going on the larger time frames, that's going to be crucial as well. And tomorrow, there's data coming out that should not be ignored. It's going to be initial jobless claims in the pre-market that can make or break this support here of 393 in my opinion, and it's going to be crucial to watch if these inflows can push up higher after finding key support there since way back here on February 24th, and today double bottoming here if it could continue that strength, but this needs to be canceled. Now, on the 1 hour chart, when we zoom out, we could see here that the inflows are trying to pick up, guys. Now, that happened yesterday, but now we have a lot more outflows. We're below that level, right? Inflows were at minus 1.64. And today, even though it's green, we're at minus 2.88. So a little bit lower than that. So it's going to be crucial here to watch if this can continue to push up higher going into tomorrow and closer to the midpoint, and eventually canceling out this bear indicator from up here at around 396.80. I would just round that up to 397. Now, if we zoom into the volatility here on the 15-minute, we could see how much volatility has been going on here with the inflow versus outflow on the 15-minute. Lots of zigzagging, moving with the chart, and right now, the inflows are trying to dominate, right? Right now, they're slightly above the midpoint, but outflows are beginning again. If this crosses over, that could quickly start to reflect into the chart, creating even further tests of the support today and following possible breakthrough if this bear indicator does not get canceled. You could see that double bottom effect there, but the bulls need to reappear to bring this up. So what is it that I'm going to be looking for? Well, the first thing is for those inflows to stay above on the 15-minute. And if they're red, I'll be watching for it to level off above the midpoint and see if it could switch back to green and pull away from it to the upside and eventually reflect that strength into the chart by canceling this bear indicator. That's going to be crucial here on the 15-minute chart. Now, what are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside? Well, the first support to the downside is 393. It bounced off of it twice today. Now the question mark is, could that double bottom? Or if it breaks through it and these outflows continue to dominate and go lower and reflect that weakness into the chart, well, the next support I'm watching below 393 is 390. Below 390 is 388. And then below the 388 area, I'm going to be watching 385. Now to the upside, I'm going to be looking for these inflows to cross over the midpoint and start reflecting that strength into the chart. Start that staircase effect to the upside and possibly cancel out this bear indicator, and not just here on the 30-minute, but as I've shown on the 15-minute as well. I'll be watching for that, and the first resistance is going to be 397, guys. That's where the bear indicator popped up. That's where the weakness has been since yesterday and today, and then above 397 will then go ahead and be the upper levels of 399 to 400 area. And if 400 gets broken through, the next resistance I'm watching to start that staircase effect will be 402, guys. Those are the key levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. And I'm going to be watching these bull and bear indicators. If this bear indicator can get canceled, and the inflow versus outflows, if it can cross over, get some strength here, pull up the 15-minute and the 1 hour with it as well. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.